On today's menu, a creamy recipe that's sure to delight. An extraordinary potato and fennel salad.
Lei Ho Ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. This is one of my favorite ways to making a simple potato salad. As always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin.
Quarter the mini potatoes. I'm using russet potatoes with the skin on, but of course you can peel them, it's completely up to you. I'm using about 3 pounds of small russet potatoes, which should be about 6 to 8 medium-sized ones. And this recipe should be good for about 3 to 4 generous side portions. Place the potatoes into a stock pot. Fill the pot with enough water to just cover the potatoes. Boil the potatoes until fork tender, but do keep an eye on them, for the potatoes can boil over. Place about 3 tablespoons of grain or Dijon mustard into a large mixing bowl. Squeeze in about 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Add in about a quarter cup of olive oil. You can add more for a little creamier texture, or you can add less, it's completely up to you. Add in about half a tablespoon of salt and fresh cracked pepper to taste. Whisk to combine all those amazing flavors.
This is fennel, somewhat of a underappreciated, underutilized vegetable, I think, but it's absolutely amazing. If you can, try to find ones that still have the trimmings intact, because this adds an incredible amount of aroma and flavor.
Remove the trimmings from the fennel. We're using about half a cup of fennel trimmings. You can save the rest for another recipe. Carefully slice the fennel bulb in half. Very carefully remove and discard the core bit. Thinly slice the fennel bulb. For this recipe, we're only using half of the fennel bulb. Do your best to slice them quite thin. Add the fennel into the mixing bowl. Place together a few sprigs of fresh dill, fresh parsley, and the fennel trimmings together. Roughly chop the herbs. This makes a fantastic and aromatic combination. Add the herbs to the mixing bowl. Finely chop 2 to 3 sticks of green onion. The green onions will add freshness and a delightful aroma.
By the way, this episode is a bit of a companion video to one of the recipes found in the second cookbook, simply titled Cook with Confidence. For more information about this book or the other Young Man Cooking cookbooks, there is a print or digital version you can check out in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, thank you so much for supporting the cooking show.
When the potatoes are fork tender, drain them out and add to the mixing bowl. Adding the warm potatoes into the fennel will give it a really nice soft texture. Give the salad a really good mix. This is a great recipe to make in advance and have on hand. I personally enjoy it both warm and chilled. Plate the potato salad. You can now enjoy this delightful recipe with absolute confidence.
That looks and smells incredible. Man, that is so delicious. There's something very unique about the flavor of the fennel with the potatoes. The fennel trimmings add this really nice visual appeal and also adds this sort of licorice flavor. It's salty, it's a little fruity from the olive oil, and you get that little hint of spiciness from the Dijon mustard. And that dressing gets completely absorbed into those potatoes. It's really quite sensational. There's the freshness from the parsley and that little pungent flavor from the green onions. And there's a nice brightness from the lemon juice that brings everything together. When the potatoes are hot and it's mixed together with that fresh fennel, it actually softens the texture up, making them a bit tender but still have a nice fresh bite. And of course, those potatoes are nice and tender. This is definitely one of those humble looking recipes, but is packed with extraordinary flavors. And it's a recipe that's easy enough to make on a weekly repeat. It's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook and dine in at home. If you love easy and delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, be sure to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.